In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove, delete, or change an address in your PayPal account. Keeping your address information up to date is essential for smooth transactions and proper shipping, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage all your addresses quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. If you aren't already logged in, click the login button at the top right. Enter your registered email address and password. Then click login again to access your dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to locate your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or name, usually in the top right corner, which opens a drop-down menu. From here, select Account Settings. This is the hub where you manage all your personal and account information. Within Account Settings, look for Account Owner Information and click on it. Here you'll see different sections for your personal details. Focus on the address section. Click Update and you'll see options to either add a new address or edit an existing one. If you want to add a new address, click Add Address and fill in the necessary details such as street, city, state, and zip code. For those looking to edit an existing address, simply select the address you want to modify and update the fields with the correct information. Be sure to double check for accuracy. Once you've made your changes, click Save to ensure your updates are stored and reflected across your account. If you need to remove an old address, find the entry in your address list and you'll see a remove option next to it. Clicking it will trigger a confirmation message. Confirm that you want to delete it and the address will no longer be linked to your account. And that's it. You've successfully navigated your PayPal account settings to update, add, or remove addresses. Keeping this information current ensures that all transactions and shipments go smoothly without delays or errors. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher on managing your PayPal addresses. Happy address changing!